Phosphor Dot fans, we are back with more originals on the Apple II this time, as opposed to arcade ports, which we kind of did a long stretch of arcade ports, if you remember. And now we're going off the beaten path a bit, and we are going to be playing today Apple Cider Spider. This is an old favorite of mine. It's kind of a climbing game in very much the same vein as Donkey Kong and others of its ilk. And as you can see, it's got a neat little intro sequence. Now, yes, why not? Nice little piece of gaming software from the fine folks at Sierra Online, who were really one of the most high-profile publishers of Apple II software at the time, really for a lot of the machines run. So, I think we can see that this is a lot of this game is down to timing. And not screwing up. That's very important too. So you see I had just about a second there to make that little hop without getting crushed by the next round of apples. Okay, so it's kind of giving you the idea and letting things get started. Which side of the I guess the web or the silk you're on does matter at numerous times in the game. Oh, oops. There are oodles of Donkey Kong and Donkey Kong Jr. I don't want to say references, but influences, I think, would probably be the most charitable word to use. Because you have the conveyor belts and all of the strings and things that you have to dangle from. That's very Donkey Kong Jr. The conveyor belts were, of course, in the original Donkey Kong. Okay. Now you're just about home free on this level. This one... Whoa. Oops. Oops is right. That is an accurate assessment. A really nice arcade-style original here. I'm still impressed. So impressed that I just plunged to my spidery death. But I remember spending a lot of time with this game when I was a kid, and this was really... games like this were really one of the catalysts in me realizing that, well, not so much realizing, not really the word I'm looking for, very much a catalyst in me shifting my gaming allegiance from consoles to computers. Oh, why did I do that? Because I have an eight-legged death wish, which is going to be the name of my new band, by the way. Eight-legged death wish. I can guarantee you no one has claimed that one at the Copyright Office. Can I continue? No. Please? I'll put another quarter in and everything. I guess that's a no. Okay. Let's try this again. Hurry up and get through the first couple of levels without incident, without dying. I'll try. I'm not doing bad for not having played this since I was, 11 or 12 years old. Oh, froggy. Yeah, you have to avoid the frog. I don't think frogs actually eat spiders in real life. I think they're all about the flies, the insect kingdom, instead of arachnids, but I could be mistaken. So if you're working on a science paper, ignore what I just said. Go look it up for yourself. Oh, let's wait for the next bus. Oh, crap. I wonder why it's marked IV. Well, I think the programmer's name was Ivan, so maybe he's giving himself a little Hitchcock cameo there. Okay, back to this now. Oh, the bird. Now, I thought I was playing an easier version of the level, but the previous screen had the frog, and now this has the bird. This game is giving me the bird. should have gone between the first couple of apples. Okay. Hip, hip, hooray. Oh! Do not disturb. Whew. Yeah, I know how you feel. And now I imagine it goes back to the beginning, but is even harder this time, in all likelihood. I don't recall if there are any extra screens, but given that I believe I still have all my spiders, I suppose we're about to find out. Well, frog, you will not be eating me today, frog. For I am not necessarily a member of the insect kingdom, and therefore am not subject to your whims. Go back and play Frogger, why don't you? That was a close one. I'm gonna wait for this apple to go by and get sliced. Okay, so we have made it to this level again, and if I can survive this one, you know, I need to stop saying that. Then I guess we'll see if any other levels present themselves. Splat went the spider. Ooh. That was rather close. Could be that it just gets more challenging and repeats the same screens. Though this isn't really a markedly more difficult version of this level. Oh. Oh. I shall now proceed to shut up about whether or not it's more difficult. Although I think that was just a case of I was more clumsy and misjudged my jump. Okay, last spider. But I think... yeah, I think you've seen it all. So there you have it. Ivan Strand's Apple Cider Spider. Woo! Oh, Control E to erase scores. That's kind of handy. And any other key to continue. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back with more Apple II obscurities that you may or may not have heard of in our next installment.